Hi guys, it's Cass from Dermetel, and today we're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of sunscreen. We've all done it. You're heading to the beach and grab any old bottle of sunscreen, spray it on or slather it on when you get there, and feel protected for the rest of the day. But did you know that not all sunscreens are the same, or that there's actually a proper way to put on sunscreen? Do you know the number of times to reapply in a day? Well, I'm here to answer that for you. You may be thinking that this is a lot of thought to be putting into just any old bottle of sunscreen, but having the basics down could be the key to preventing skin cancer, the most common form of cancer, but also the most preventable. Picking a sunscreen SPF is important, but can lead to a false sense of security when it comes to being out in the sun. Just because you choose a high SPF does not mean you can spend more time in the sun without reapplying. So, before you go and splurge on SPF 75, just be sure to reapply often. Learn what SPF you should really choose. The Skin Cancer Foundation recommends a minimum of SPF 30. Just a few years ago, the best sunscreen meant choosing the highest SPF. But now we know it's not about the highest SPF, but instead trying to find one that blocks UVA and UVB rays. These sunscreens are labeled broad spectrum or multi-spectrum. To get the benefit of multi-spectrum sunscreens, look for those that contain these ingredients. These ingredients block both UVA and UVB rays. If you're looking for a sunscreen without harsh chemicals, or if you have sensitive skin, try getting a sunscreen that doesn't contain these ingredients. These can irritate sensitive skin. It's also helpful to have a separate sunscreen for your face that won't irritate your pores or cause pimples. The type of sunscreen or brand that you use is up to your personal preference, whether you prefer a certain brand like Banana Boat or an organic brand like Badger Balm, or a consistency like a spritz or like a cream. Just make sure you know how to apply it correctly, thoroughly rubbing it into every exposed area. The Skin Cancer Foundation recommends sunscreens be applied 30 minutes before sun exposure to allow ingredients to fully bind to the skin, and then reapply the same amount of sunscreen every 2 hours. And here's today's sun-safe tip. When applying sunscreen, these areas are particularly important. So, whether you're going to the beach or just going out for a walk, make putting on sunscreen a part of your daily routine. It's an easy and simple addition that could mean avoiding damaging skin and getting skin cancer. That's all for today. We'll see you next time, and remember to stay sun safe. Bye guys!